everyone, it is Sunday. I'm having my matcha. I made matcha this morning, and as you saw in my previous clip, and I'm really bad at making matcha. I put honey in it to sweeten it, and I should have put it in the matcha. Instead, I put it in the milk. Probably shouldn't have done that, but you live and you learn. It's like my first time really making matcha, actual matcha. Like, I know that I've made it before using the matcha that I got from Amazon and stuff, but this is like for real, like Japanese grade matcha. So like, it's not bad. It's pretty good. I just kind of think that my milk is a few days expired. So I might just go get new milk and then remake it. But I'm kind of just scared because I don't want to get sick. Next week is Thanksgiving, so I don't want to get sick for Thanksgiving. I didn't vlog yesterday. Yesterday was Saturday, of course. I don't know why I didn't vlog yesterday. I just never picked up the camera. I got my nails done yesterday, and you guys, they're very different. Maybe you probably saw them in my last clip, but they're really different and they're not something that I would normally do. I really just wanted like a change. I was like, man, the long nails are great, but they're just very long. And it was, you know, getting kind of hard to type, and I don't know, I used to have square nails for a long time, and then I really wanted to go a lot shorter, but maybe I went too short. I don't know. I need to get used to them because I'm not used to them being short and square. And also there's color on them too, which I normally don't do. So I actually found this on Pinterest, and it is kind of like a tortoise shell design, not exactly tortoise shell. The two accent nails are like this tortoise style. I think it looks really cool, but like I'm kind of just like, well, does it look weird? I don't think the design looks weird. I think the design looks really cool, but I'm not used to having short nails like this. So I'm just like, does the short nails suit me? Is it still me? I don't know who I am anymore. I told Raph yesterday that with these nails, I look like a girl out of Christian Girl Autumn. If you don't know what Christian Girl Autumn is, it's this. All I need is some skinny jeans, a hat, a scarf, and like some ankle boots. And I'm Christian Girl Autumn. I didn't really like them yesterday. Again, the design I thought was really good, but I didn't really like them yesterday when I got them done. But having them for like 24 hours, I've actually liked them a lot more today than I did yesterday. I don't know, I'm just not used to color, but you let me know what you think in the comments. I wanted to show you guys my outfit today. Here's my outfit for right now at home, and this leads into the sponsor of today's video, Cuts Clothing. Thank you, Cuts, for sponsoring this video. Let me take this cardigan off so I can show you this in all of its glory. I have actually bought things from Cuts Clothing before them reaching out to me. If you've seen in other videos, I have worn, in like other pictures and stuff, I have worn this exact top in other videos and pictures. But when they actually did reach out, I was like, oh my god, hi, I already love your clothes. So they were like, great. This is what they sent me. They sent me this, and then one other thing that I'll show you here in a minute. But this right here is the other type of tops that I already have, and it is the tomboy cropped tee. And I did not have it in white. I have it in ivory, I have it in black, and I have it in this really nice caramel color that I bought with my own money. And then they sent me the white, which is great. So I have this one now, and it's got the cutest little X down there. I'll also show in another clip from yesterday because I wore this top yesterday too. So I will show that clip here in just a minute because I paired it with more of like a going out outfit. It's very cold outside, so I had like a jacket on top and everything. So I did more in detail in that clip, so I'll show that here in a minute. But it's just so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. And then they also sent this over too. This is a hoodie. I actually got this for my husband. This is in a size large. This top right here is in a size medium, which all of my other tomboy crop tees are in a size medium. I just think it works really nice because they do have more of a slim fit. So this right here is a large, and it's a hoodie. It's got pockets, of course, and it's got the great X logo on the side. I actually got this for my husband because my husband likes to wear hoodies a lot, so I wanted to get one of these for him, but it also does work with me as well. Again, I will insert the clip where I had it on yesterday, and it actually does fit me pretty well for being a size large, and I really like it. It's really nice and cozy. I do have a discount code that is Kenzie Scarlett. I'll have it on the screen, and that is all in caps, and that will give you 15% off of your order bright white at Cuts Clothing. Thank you so much again for sponsoring this video. I am genuinely so jazzed because I love this brand. Hi, Editing Kenzie here. I lost the clip when I ended the sponsored portion of the video for Cuts Clothing, so it was kind of abrupt continuing on with the vlog, so I apologize about that. But yeah, let's keep on continuing with the vlog. We're in Target now. We're looking at the frozen meals. These are like some of my favorite things. I don't know why, but we're gonna get a couple of these, I think. It actually looks really good. Oh, it's a vegan broccoli cheese bake. This over here is the one that I actually really like. The plant-based teriyaki bowl is very good. But yeah, we're already getting some stuff. Of course, we come to Target because we come here at least once a week. Okay, we got all of our groceries. Man, the sun is real bright today. I'm glad that I have this. Imagine. Absolutely not. Anyways, now we're in the line of Starbucks because the Starbucks at the Target don't have anything. Like, they're out of all of the seasonal drinks. They barely have any food. So we're just like, let's just get what we need and leave, and then we'll just come to the one right over here. So we're there now. And what are you wanting to get?
Oh yeah, I don't know. I need to choose.
Your bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich?
Well, yeah. No. The double bacon.
Yeah.
Double smoked bacon.
The double smoked bacon. Yeah. So he wants that, and then I think I'm actually gonna get a peppermint mocha, maybe.
Yeah, I might get the same.
You might get the same?
No.
It's up to you.
What were you thinking?
I don't know. There was that praline one. I think you had that one the first time, and then you had the creme brulee one after that.
No, the first one was a creme brulee.
Was it?
Where we both got that.
I might get the peppermint mocha. I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah, I had the praline the second time and I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
No.
Okay, well, we're gonna look at the menu really quick, and then yeah, I'll let you know when we get home. Okay, we got our drinks. I got the peppermint mocha. I know a lot of people don't like the peppermint mocha. It's just, I don't know, I don't mind it. I think it's fine. So
Is it good?
Yeah, I think it's fine. And then Ralph got the cookie butter cold brew.
Yep.
Can I see the top of it? Wow. But yeah, having this for today, and then I think we're gonna go home, unpack the groceries, and I'll do like a little grocery haul with you guys. That'll be really fun. Okay, we're back from getting groceries, and I want to show you what we got. So I've got some more of my Diet Coke, some more just like frozen pizzas to have in the house. These three are our favorite. This one's good. So we've got these. Cereal, milk, frozen meals in there, bread, and hello everyone, it's a little bit later, and I don't know, I kind of just wanted to talk about something that's been on my mind. I have both dogs with me. I've got the one dog and oh, hello. Oh my god, that was the cutest thing ever. I don't know, I kind of just want to talk about something that was getting like on my nerves a little bit. On Friday, a new game came out. It's the new Pokemon game. I'm not gonna talk too much about this because I know most people that follow me and that subscribe to me don't care about games, and they subscribe to me for like fashion and bags and stuff, but video games are another really big part of my life, and that's all I've been doing for the past 2 days. All that I did yesterday, and pretty much, well, almost all that I did yesterday, and pretty much all I've done today has been playing this game. I don't know, I was starting to feel bad, I guess, because I didn't do anything else like productive. I don't know, it's the weekend. I shouldn't be productive on the weekend, right? You know, like if I didn't do like these types of videos or do YouTube or anything, that's what the weekend is literally for, to not do anything or do the things that you really want to do, right? But I usually do work on the weekends, and it's not really work because I enjoy it, it's just making content. But I don't know, I kind of felt bad because I was playing this game all day yesterday and all day today, and I was like, well, why am I over here playing this, you know, game, this like virtual thing that's not going to get me anywhere, when I could be filming a YouTube video, or I could be filming a Reels video or a TikTok, or I wanted to enjoy my time playing. But then when I'm playing, I'm like, kind of part of me is like, why are you doing this? You know, it's a game. You're not gonna get anything out of this. Playing these games and stuff like that is not your job. There's this guy that I watch on YouTube named Austin John Plays. I like him a lot. I watch a lot of his content, but like, it's his job. So like he plays them for like 100 hours and stuff. I wouldn't want to do what he does and do video games as a job, because that seems like a lot of work. I mean, YouTube in general is a lot of work, but like the stuff that he does, like putting together all those lists, you know, he has to really freaking like it in order to have like 4 playthroughs of the exact same game, 100%ing all those playthroughs and everything. It's just a lot. It's a lot of work. It's very fruitful for him. Yeah, honey. It's very fruitful for him because he plays the games and then he makes the content, and the content, you know, does well, right? For me, I feel bad because I'm like, well, I'm playing this game, but it's not getting me anywhere. Why am I playing when I could be doing other content, you know? And it makes me feel bad, and I feel like I'm like not productive. I'm still trying to grow this channel, and sometimes I just feel like if I'm not putting all of my time and effort into it, then I'm never going to grow, because YouTube is so like, you have to always post. YouTube is so like, you must continue with what you're doing, or else you're gonna get stuck. You're not gonna grow. It's not gonna happen. Your channel's gonna fail if you just don't continue to post content and pump out content and make good videos that people want to watch. And I feel like I just don't really do that anyways. I feel like I don't even make that good of content. I try. So like every time I sit down and play a game, I feel like, oh, well, I could be doing something else. I could be doing this thing. Or every time I like sit down and watch something at the end of the night, I'm like, well, I could edit my video. I don't know. This was just a long, deep, kind of chatty thing, and it was on my mind, and I wanted to talk about it. It was kind of like either talk about it or write it in my journal, and my journal is over there, and I didn't want to go get it. So I was like, well, my phone's right here. I have this little ring light, so let me just go ahead and talk about it. This will be like my little spoken journal, but yeah. Anyways, that was pretty much it for now. I'm gonna go. I'll let you know when something else fun happens.